When it comes to the soap used for car washing systems, you may be surprised to find out that you're using an inferior brand of soap in terms of cost efficiency and cleaning effectiveness. You may know how much a soap drum costs, but do you know the strength of the soap? How many milliliters are used in an automatic machine? Or how many milliliters per minute are used during a pre-soak or in a foam brush at a self-serve bay? ProWash is here to help you with these questions and to compare the best soaps on the market. With our cost calculator and soap analysis, we properly compare the costs and quality of different soap brands to ensure you're using the optimal soap in your washing system. Today, we have two tyre and wheel cleaning products that we're going to compare. Soap A, on the left, is a cheap, locally made formulated product, costing $1.90 per litre. And Soap B, on the right, is a more expensive, imported, formulated product, costing $3.90 per litre. Immediately, we can see Soap A is bright and clear, and creates a light foam. There's not much of a scent to this soap either. However, Soap B has a darker, richer colour, a stronger scent, and more foam. With this, we already have a good indicator of the effectiveness and show quality between the two. We'll now measure the strength of the different soaps by performing a titration test. You can check out the link below to see an explanation video, or contact ProWash directly for more information. In this case, Soap A is running at 8 drops, which is quite weak for a tyre and wheel cleaner, and will struggle to effectively clean dirty wheels. The titration result for Soap B was 10 drops, so it's actually 25% stronger than Soap A. Next, we want to look at exactly how much raw product we need to use to get to this strength and this level of show. We fill the hydrominder tank to the marked level, then close the tap on the inlet. Next, we take the pickup from the soap drum and place it in the measuring cylinder that we've filled with the noted volume of the product, which in this case is 250 milliliters. For 2 minutes, we run the soap through an isolated self-serve washing bay. We then open the tap and the hydrominder. We fill it back to the marked level, and as it fills, it draws the chemical from the cylinder. Once it's filled, we remove the pickup from the measuring cylinder and take another reading. In this instance, for Soap A, we used 210 milliliters over the 2-minute period, which works out at 105 milliliters per minute. We then did the same test for Soap B. The volume measurement showed it only used 45 milliliters per minute, which is surprisingly less than half as much as the previous soap. So, although cheaper to buy initially, Soap A uses more product per minute, with 105 milliliters costing 20 cents. Soap B is using less than half as much and only costs 18 cents per minute. Soap A is the weakest soap, titrating at 8 drops, whereas Soap B titrates at 10 drops. Not only that, but on senses alone, Soap B has a much stronger scent and colour, which is more appealing and delivers a better show. The results of these tests mean that Soap B is not only a better quality product, but represents considerable value for money over Soap A. Soap A may cost less per litre, but is actually more expensive to run, and will give poor results to the customer. So how about a third option? Here we have Soap C, an imported concentrated product. This concentrated surfactant costs $10.57 per litre and is used in conjunction with an alkaline powder that is dissolved into a solution through a mixing unit installed at the car wash. Straight away, we can see that it has a far better colour than the other two soaps. It also has a better scent. When we titrate, it titrates at 40 drops, which is 4 times as strong as Soap B. At 40 drops titration, it will provide far superior cleaning to either Soap A or Soap B. With all this extra show, scent and strength, you would think that it would have to be more expensive, right? Well, the volume test shows it only uses 8 milliliters per minute. You can barely see the level drop in the measuring cylinder. When we add the cost of this 8 milliliters of concentrated surfactant to the cost of the alkaline powder that was also used, the total comes to 16 cents per minute. So, how well do you know your soaps? As you can see, with inferior results and compromises in quality, sometimes the cheapest soaps may not actually save you money in the long run. To arrange for a soap technician to perform a complimentary cost calculation and soap analysis at your wash, visit the ProWash website or call us on 8340 3200.